the question is, how many liters are contained in 16.8 grams of carbon dioxide? So step one is write the unit that you're trying to find, which would be liters of CO2. And the second step is to write the unit in substance that you're given, which would be 16.8 grams of CO2. So step three is write a blank factor. I mean, they're not blank anymore, but blank factor, just multiplication with the fraction line. So we're gonna need two blank factors because you can't go from one branch of the mole city to another without going through the mole. So we need the mole to like be our conversion factor. The fourth step would be write units on your blank factors. So the unit, you'd first have to go to the mole, so mole over grams of CO2, and this has to be in the denominator because you want to cancel this out, and then next you want to cancel the mole out so you can get to liters, so now the mole goes into the denominator. All right, so that was step 4, right? So step 5 would be to actually add numbers to your blank factor. So you know that 1 mole equals the periodic table value of, okay, so the way you find that is how many carbons are there? There's only 1, and then off the periodic table you look at that number and you round it to the hundredths place and you get this, and then you have same here, but there's 2 oxygens, and then you multiply and then add them together and get 44.01 grams of CO2. So that's what we have here. Next, at STP, a gas is 22.4 liters, right? And 1 mole is equal to that. So now we have to do the math, multiply everything on the numerator, and that gets you 376.32, and then divide that by what's in the denominator, and you get this in the calculator. And you start off with 3 significant figures, so you have to have 3 here, 1, 2, 3, and the 0 doesn't make this round up, so you're left with 8.55 liters of carbon dioxide.